This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man. So as y'all boys can see, I need to get some fluid in my car too. I'm gonna do that when I get the sheets. Put some fluid in my car. Cause my car don't feel right. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It just don't feel like my car. So get a little fluid in here, hopefully. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all boys can see, that bit is clean. Damn, I didn't drop off this mirror. It didn't cross my mind, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, man, with that boy Zay. His truck sounds crazy. I'm trying to get Zay into shooting POVs, bro. Like, bro, his truck sounds nice. Like, I kid y'all not. That shit sounds beautiful. But yeah, we on our way to Sheets. Get some cool little pictures, and I probably shoot some reels and some shit, and yeah, just rock out, really. Hold up. Just a little bit. There we go. So y'all ain't got too much wind. But yeah, hopefully this camera is angled right, because I'm not gonna lie, I did not check it. I know when I goddamn get to where we going. Yeah, and also if y'all see my dash start to tweak out, I gotta go and get the sensor for it. So I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow and try to fix it tomorrow. I was gonna do it today, but man, O'Reilly's, they don't know what they be doing, bro. Like, they don't know like the parts and shit that I be looking for. So I mean, it's cool. I'll go to AutoZone for it. Dang, bright ass lights, man. But yeah, late night little POV for y'all boys. Look, y'all hear him? Xavier truck sounds nice, bro. Trust me. Like his, like, honestly, y'all know how like the Mopars and shit, they be farting, bro. That's literally what his truck do. Like, that shit sounds so good, bro. Damn. Never mind. I was about to do some crazy shit. Y'all hear that, Joe? I'm telling you. Hey, Xavier's shit sounds nice, bro. I'm telling, hey, I'm pretty sure y'all heard that shit. Yo, bro, Zay shit sounds good. Oh, and if y'all hear that rattling and shit, that's because I got like a little door thing. So I could easily stop it from rattling, but I ain't gonna do it right now. Oh shit, I didn't mean to turn that on. Damn. Trying to make sure we straight. Shit, it look good. It look good. It look good, man. We straight. We chilling. Ooh, that BMW sound nasty as hell. There you go. Y'all shouldn't hear that rattling no more. I ain't gonna lie, that shit start blowing me. I was like, yo, bro, let me get this. Why the hell am I swerving? I need to get I need to get my life together, bro. I'm bullshitting. My fault. I'm trying to goddamn get this camera right. It look like it's good though. I would get in front of him, but like I don't know where I'm going. So I mean, we just riding, but we chilling, we vibing. Damn. How we looking? How we looking? How we looking? We straight. We chilling, bro. We in there. All right, my fault. I keep checking it, bro, because I'm not gonna lie. Yo, bro. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I keep checking it because I just don't know, man. I don't want to take no risk. Oh, perfect video to tell y'all. Is that a damn police car? No, there's not. Perfect video to tell y'all, bro. Oh, that bitch sound nice. That bitch sound nice. Yeah. Perfect video to tell y'all. Well, it's a RT, but a newer model RT cluster is on the way, and big screen is on the way. So there y'all go. And then we gonna get the car lowered. I know, bro. I've been delaying the lowered part, but like I told y'all earlier, I'm not gonna lie, gang. I'm a little terrified, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm on edge about lowering this bitch, cause yo, people be breaking shit, bro. No cap. Okay, hold on. Why we all just get crazy like that? Hey, oh damn, yo, bro, crazy ass potholes. Why you getting crazy like that, bro? Hold on. Nah. I think the sheets he going to is on the right, I believe. I think so. Yeah, he's turning, so yeah. Yeah, we're definitely not making that light, buddy. We can slow the hell down. I knew we won't. Why the hell is my shit still on? I knew we weren't making that. Let me find out this man know a back road with the goddamn sheets, bro. Look, y'all see it? It's doing it. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yeah, it's a sensor that's doing all of that, bro. That shit is crazy. Look, there it goes. It's doing it. Yeah, it's a sensor that's doing all of that shit, bro. That is the like most craziest shit I've ever seen. And the sensor is this goddamn big, bro. Literally, it's a like you unplug it and plug the new one in. It's that simple. I was gonna get it out the way today, and like I said, bro, O'Reilly's and them, they don't be knowing what the hell they be doing. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone, bro. I know y'all probably like, bro, damn, bro, that's the only place you go. But no, I be trying to go to different places. They just don't be knowing what the hell they be doing. Y'all see it? Like every time I like give it gas, like OD, it'll do that shit. Like it'll be fine, like while I'm just cruising and shit. And then that ain't what I think that is. No, that's not. Why the hell did I think that was like a newer Supra or some shit? Damn, these houses look good as hell. What homes is these? Damn. I ain't never seen them cribs before. Them shits look good, bro. I seen a garage and some more, but that's all I need, gang. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm more of like a country guy, bro. Like, I wanna live in the country. Well, I ain't gonna lie. It's both. I kinda want like a I'm manifesting this shit damn near. Ain't no damn near. No, I'm definitely manifesting this, bro. I want a crib like they got like the view like at like of like Atlanta, like downtown in the city, like a crib like that, like super high, like one of them penthouses type shit. Y'all hear that nigga truck? Ooh, he tweaking. Yeah, I want one of them type of like, you know how the Atlanta penthouses look? I kind of want a crib like that. And then I also want a crib like, let's say like I decide to come back home on some shit. I want a crib in the country, you know what I'm saying? That type of shit. Cause, bro, ain't nothing like goddamn waking up and you got the amount of acres goddamn Boosie got, bro. Ain't no cap. Hey, that's how much space I want. I want enough for goddamn my kids to goddamn drive go-karts and dirt bikes and four-wheelers on my land, and I don't even hear them niggas driving them shits, like, you know what I'm saying? That's the type of like, yeah, that's to me, that's real deal living, bro. And obviously, nigga, I want space, you know, for all the cars and shit, you know what I'm saying? They gonna have Rolls Royce Cullinans and Hellcats and shit, and you know what I'm saying? I really do believe though, that like, bro, I can definitely get that shit. I just gotta, you know what I'm saying, just like keep working like harder and shit, for real. Cause bro, I ain't gonna lie, I damn near fucking shed a tear the other day, bro. Like, real deal, bro. Like just sitting back and like realizing like what the hell I done like been and what the hell I done came from, bro. Oh my god. And like, bro, people real deal, bro, I didn't believe that shit, but no, it's really people out here like real deal like doubting you, praying on your downfall, gang. So, you know, yo, bro, oh my goodness, bro, I don't want to go too in detail with the shit, but like, bro, yeah, I didn't been through some shit, gang. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, we gonna keep grinding every day, goddamn. Just prove motherfuckers wrong. That's what we gonna do. And obviously, I wanna, you know what I'm saying? I wanna live good and shit. So, yeah. Alright, bro. Sheets be having music and shit playing. So, wind up the goddamn windows, cause I'm not trying to get copyrighted. No cap. No goddamn pumps for me and Zay. What the hell? Damn. Y'all hear my shocks and shit now? My shit sounds so crazy, bro. Like, my shit was never like this. Hold up, cause I cannot see them goddamn lines, brother, man. No cap. Yeah. Yo, bro, wait till this shit get tuned. Oh my god, this bitch gonna be a monster, bro. For the people who don't know, none of my shit is tuned yet. Like, trans not tuned, nothing. There we go. As y'all boys can see though, man, we got the goddamn second gen out there. Hey, this shit looks good, bro.
Yeah, I got it.
I ain't even gonna fake it to y'all, but this shit looks so goddamn good, bro. Cause my shit did not look like this. And then we got Xavier with his goddamn truck. You know what I'm saying? See, look. I told y'all, Xavier shit sounds good, bro. And he got Flow Masters on this shit. So, yeah. That nigga Xavier got Flow Masters on this shit. And goddamn, Xavier shit sounds nice. I ain't even gonna fake it, but damn. Got the second gen right here. We probably about to shoot some Instagram reels or some shit. So I guess goddamn, I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys when I get to, you know what I'm saying, do that shit. So yeah, let me shoot some reels and shit real quick. But yeah, appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. Just a calm little video, bro. We chilling. But got the charger right there. But appreciate y'all boys for watching. I'm out this zone, man. Let me know what y'all boys want to see me do in the charger, bro, down below in the comments. And Yeah, bro. Love y'all boys, man. I'm out.